Hi friends, welcome to the next lecture on denojs, and today uh, we are going to learn Deno and interacting with Mongo database, and how we'll be inserting the data in Mongo DB using denojs. Before getting into the Deno, first go through how to install Mongo in your computer. See Mongo DB installation, and there you can find go look for Mongo DB installation, Windows or whatever, and here you can navigate to this page, and here we can see install on Linux, install on Mac OS, install on Windows. We go to the install on Mac OS we can use using brew, we can install into MongoDB into Mac. After installation you follow this step. We are installing only community edition, not enterprise edition. Follow these steps, and once this is done you can type Mongo, and in the terminal you can see the version, all those things. Okay, and next I will be going through like how to install on Windows. You just go through this. Nothing is difficult to install in Windows or Mac or Linux. Just go through these steps, and see prerequisites are present over here, and download the MSI file, and click on next, and it will install MongoDB in your computer. And you can even specify the where you wanted to go, server logs, and where it wanted to. Once installation is successful, and go to this path location, go to C. From C, go to program files. From program files you can see MongoDB, and MongoDB, go to server version, and bin folder mongo.exe. Okay, here we can see Mongo is installed, and it is showing version 4.2.0, all the information. It is successful. Now just to call show DB, we have three databases are created. But feel comfortable with the when you are installing, right? You will get MongoDB Compass community, and using this Compass also we can do whatever you through command prompt, whatever we are doing. And here also you can see all the databases, and under config you can see how many collections are present, and you can view the data. If you wanted to insert the data, you can click on add data and insert document, and here we can specify the data in a JSON format using this. It is simple, guys. GUI based instead of command based. Name we can insert as for name. Location, just insert it, and we can see over here. The data is inserted, and we are able to see data. And you can even click on the tabular format, it will show in the tabular format. If you click on this format, it will show in the JSON format. It is link view. Okay. Yeah. After installing MongoDB, we are going to communicate with the we are going to install Deno Mongo client for Deno Mongo client. Deno, first go for Deno land, and from here we will navigate to third party libraries, third party modules. Click over here. Here search for MongoDB. Yeah, we got MongoDB driver for Deno. Click on next. You open in new tab and import this one. As of now I am writing in main.ts file. You can later will move it to specific places. Import Mongo client, and copy this one. We are creating object for Mongo client, and connect to Mongo with this localhost default one. Active, and let's create the database. and the database name I call it as a REST API, and you can create the user schema db.collection. User schema I don't have anything. Let's directly insert it. Where is user schema? Control C. We have to define the schema over here, and which has ID, OID string, and the username, password. You can even copy same as it is from here. This is the schema we have defined, and instead of name, and I'll say that location is string, and I'm going to insert now. Now I am going to insert it. Here instead of password, I keep it as a location, and here location one. I'm giving just a random things. Okay. After this, start the Deno. How to start, right? Deno run main.ts. It will not run. We'll get some errors, and we need to add some flags while running. It is downloaded. Mongo client is downloaded. Whenever you are running, right, first time it will download all this. It is saying it is unstable because Deno as of now it is in unstable Mongo client for Deno. It is still 0.8.0 version. Once it comes to major version, it will be stable one. To run it, you have to use unstable. You have to flag it as unstable. Okay, Deno run unstable. Run it again. It will fail because we need to mention that allow net few more things to read the environment variable, because Deno is 2 db expected arguments but got one user schema. Alt F8 expected 0 type argument but got one. Okay, it is saying no, don't even specify this. Well, let's remove it. We don't need to even specify the schema. It is complaining. That's okay, later we'll add those things. Save it and again run it. Yes, it is saying allow read flag because we are reading the environment variables in our application. So run it as allow read. Specify allow read also. Again it will fail. Allow net also we have to do. I'm showing all the errors, friends. Allow read and allow write, because this Deno Mongo client will write the data into our database, right? We have to mention allow write also. Read we have specified, write also we have to specify now. I'm specifying allow write flag. Is copied only allow hyphen right right to your right. Okay, because we are running we have opened http net, so we have to specify allow net as well. So allow hyphen net. Found minus a which wasn't expected. Found minus a which wasn't expected or isn't valid in this context. This is minus minus allow Deno run. Minus allow read. We have specified minus allow read. Minus allow write. Minus allow net. This is the wrong. We missed one hyphen here. What we are doing? We are doing mistakes and learning here. And you do mistake, learn it. It's downloading the plugin now. Once download is successful, application will be up and our application will run as is. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, download is finished. What we have done in this lecture is we have added the Mongo client module. After that, we have initialized the object using new client, Mongo client, and we are connecting to the Mongo DB with localhost, which is in default port. And we have created the database name is REST API. Next, we have created the collection and we have inserted the data into the collection. Permission denied. We have to specify allow plugin as well. Why we are getting all these problems? Because Deno is so secure. Denojs is so secure. We need all the permission to do anything. Server is up and app port is 8090. Let's go to the MongoDB campus. Here we can check it. REST API is created. Over here, users, and look in tabular format. And username is user1, location is location, and ID is created dynamically. So what we have learned, we have connected to the MongoDB in this lecture, and we have created the database, and we have created the collection, and inserted a document into the collection. And in this lecture, we have written all the code in main.ts file. In upcoming lectures, we will move this code into separate files. Thank you, friends.